Well, my dear children, on Friday we have discussed, in fact, a little bit of a short summary has been given. Today we will go in detail. So far as the resource of the story packing is derived from a novel that is Three Men in a Boat, the novel that was written by Jerry K. Jones. That novel, the novel Three Men in a Boat, is a humorous novel and it is full of humorous incident. So the very chapter packing is derived, or you may call it taken from that novel. Here in this novel we have three characters. The three characters are narrator, that is Joram, Jerry K. Joram. Then second one is the George, and third one is the Harris. And there is of course fourth friend, that is Monty Monacy, the Tom. The three friends, George, Harris, and the narrator. They were in opinion that they have all kind of disease, and for that they consulted various physicians. They even consulted the book of medicines, but they could not cure because they don't have any disease. In fact, it was their own thought of mind. They have some kind of illusion, you may call, that they have, or you may call psychologically they were in that kind of feeling that they are in, but in fact they were not in. So the three friends, they decided to go for the picnic, and for that packing is required. Packing. Here the narrator very simply describes about that knowledge of even a smallest thing is very important. Knowledge of even a smallest thing is very important. We should not take anything easy. That is what the theme of the story. The narrator wants to hit upon the theme of the story, that even the simplest of the simplest thing is not the simple. And we should not take it any easy. Whoever takes the things easy, they will feel some sorrow. They will trap himself. They will trap himself, or they will trap themselves in their own mistakes. So our life is also full of journey. Our life is also full of journey. And so we should realize that the boat of our life should be aligned. We should not pack that much of the thing. We should not accommodate that much of the thing in our life that is not necessary for us. Mostly we try to accommodate, we try to collect many things in our life. My dear children, breath is limited, but desires are limited. The more we get, the more we desire for. This is not the good thing. So let us start the story. The story, that is the packing. It is a story, the narrator. As I told you, that the narrator and his friend, they decided to go for picnic. And for that, they decided for the picnic. The picnic in a boat. And for that, packing was required. For that, packing was required. Here, the narrator, Jerry K. Jones, he rather prided himself on his packing art. Packing is one of those many things that I feel I know more about than any other person. Here you see, the narrator is boasting about himself. Dear children, self-praise is not remedial. We should not boast about ourselves. We should not boast. We should not boast about ourselves. You see, self-praise is never a recommendation. If someone else is recommending you, if somebody is calling you great, then you are great. You cannot call yourself great by yourself. A potter never praise his pot. So if you are good, the people will call you good. You cannot call yourself good by yourself. So remember that a potter never praise his pot. We should avoid, but here the narrator, Jerry K. Joram, is boasting about himself and he is claiming that he knows the art of packing very well. I impressed the fact upon the George and Harris. In fact, he wanted to impress his friend George and Harris. Who were the two friends? Who were the two friends? That is George and Harry. George and Harris. These two friends. He wants to impress. He wants to boast. Why he was boasting? Because he wants to impress his friend George and Harris. Told them they had better leave the whole matter entirely. And ordered his friend that leave the packing to me. I will do it. The chapter packing is being taught. Those who came late, please try to talk to your friends. And they fell into the suggestion with the readiness that they had something uncanny. Those two friends, Harris and George, they have so many suggestions about the art of packing. They try to assist the narrator, but in fact, the narrator wants to pass the job. He wants to do the packing. The packing should be done by George and Harris under his supervision, because he said that he knows how to pack it well. But it was his friend that they said, no, you should do. George spread himself over the easy chair and Harry. Both George and Harris. George was a very lazy man. You see the style. He was a very lazy man. Lazy man and always wants to sleep. He goes to sleep from 10 to 4 every day. So such a lazy. This was hardly what I intended. What the narrator said, he never intended to do the packing by himself. He wanted to that packing should be done by Harris or George. What I had made, of course, was that I should pass the job, and that Harris and George should potter about under his direction. His friend, look at Potter, to do the thing. I pushing them advice every now and then. Oh, you, here you. So every time he keeps on giving advice how to pack. So here you see that how the story starts with a suggestion. The suggestion that the three friends, George, Harris, and the narrator, are preparing for the journey. They collect necessary things, articles for the journey, and they start packing. The narrator wanted to boss the job. He wants that his friend George and Harris should do the packing, and for that he wants to it should be done under his supervision. Then comes, I live with a man who used to make me mad the way. There is nothing that irritates more than seeing the people, the two people. It is very irritating. What the narrator said, that it is very irritating. Irritating that to see that somebody is doing his job and nobody is. So, narrator don't want to be irritated. It was something very irritating, something very troublesome. It was very poor thing that the packing should is done by them. I lead the man winds used to make me mad. He told and chauffeured which wish. However, I did not say anything but started the packing. The narrator lastly started packing himself. Why? Why he started packing himself? Because both George and Harris, Harris did not want to pack. They were lazy. So narrator started packing. So I could not have to say the word until I had got the bag shut the strap. The bag is to be packed and strapped up. My tooth was the thing that hung in the toothbrush. It was his toothbrush that time and again narrator get mixed. Dear children, while we do packing, we got a lot of mess up. So many unnecessary things are packed, and often we get mixed with the most important thing, that is what? That is packing. The chapter packing. The narrator is talking about the chapter packing. So he opened the bag and packed his boot. The boot that was left, the toothbrush that was left, and they to make me wild, my toothbrush. So he unpacked the whole. When he recalled that, oh God, his toothbrush is left. His toothbrush is left. So he recalled it and unpacked it. He got boot and was going to strike it. Suddenly he recalled about his toothbrush. The last thing that he packed was his boot. But no sooner did he packed the boot, then he realized that, oh, he has missed the toothbrush. So he unpacked the suitcase again. You see here how the humorous situation is being created. When he had repacked, the George asked if so was the. When he repacked, what is the last thing? That is the toothbrush that he picked. Then it was repacked. Then again the George asked about if the soap was packed. The narrator got irritated and said that he did not care about the soap. He finally packed it at 10:05 a.m. See the time. See the time that they have taken. It takes longer job, difficult job. In the beginning, you came to know, or we come to know, that narrator tells that packing is such an easy art, and you see how much time he has taken. Going to the bag, finished at last and sat on the step. Ain't you going to put the boot in? And sat there and looking. So the boot, see the humor. According to the journalist, the worst packer. According to Jerome, Harris was the worst packer. Many things like plates, cup, bottles, tomato eaters were packed in ham. Harris, he packed very funny way. He puts the soft thing the very low, and the hard things, the tomato, the cheese, all get mixed. They all get mixed. It becomes the cheese, tomato, and butter mixture. So you just see that how Why Harris is called the worst packer? Because he get it mixed. Packing started with a breaking of a cup. A strawberry jam was packed, tomato by the Harris and Squadron. They were squashed. Tomato was picked out of the spoon. They smashed the pies by putting heavy things on them. Heavy things were put on there. But just imagine if the heavy things are put on the tomato, what will happen? The tomato will be destroyed, and the tomato get mixed with the cheese. Both the cheese and tomato, they are the soft, and the butter. If the heavy things are put, just you may imagine that what might have happened. So here you see the humor that the narrator has present. The very meaning, the very theme, the very message of the story is to hit upon that we should know, we should have a little bit of knowledge of anything. Here, all the three friends don't have any knowledge. A little knowledge is always dangerous thing, and it's a child psychology. We, the children in particular, boast about our knowledge, and in fact, we jump over the conclusion very fast. Here in the story, the narrator wanted to give the message that a proper knowledge of anything, even the simplest thing, is very important. If we are not having the proper knowledge of anything, then we should not boast about it. Here you see what happened. What happened? The narrator, Jerry K. Joram, in the very first paragraph, boasted about his art of packing. He called it that it is one of the easiest thing that it is the very easiest thing that he can do. Just see how much mess he has created. George the Harris, in the chapter you have learned that how Harris boasts about that he is the best packer. But see, the soft things, he put the heavy things up and the soft thing, and what was the result? The result was that the tomato, the cheese and the butter, they all got mixed. At least 3 times the suitcase was unstrapped, it was repacked. When they finished the pack, the boot was then again it was opened, then boot was kept. When boot was packed and it was strapped again, then the toothbrushes. So here, the very simple thing, dear children, the narrator, that is what we should learn from this story, that a knowledge of everything is important. We should try to learn these simple things. All the simple things are very important. Besides reading, besides learning, we should know art of living also. Because packing, because life, our life, here what the narrator wants us to say, that life is also a journey. And if life is a journey, we should now know how to accommodate, how to adjust, and how to learn the things. So dear children, you should realize this very important thing. Then you can think about the chapters and the thing. So the last thing that what she did, Bento Monorsi was the pet of a naughty dog. He was always ready to mischief. The fourth friend, the dog, that was Monty Monorsi, the dog. He was a mischief maker and was present where he was not wanted. He put the damp nose on the article he packed. He put his leg into the jam, thinking lemons and rats had spoiled all the things. At least the packing was completed at 12:50. It started at 12:30, 10:30, and it started 12:50. 2.5 hours, almost 2 hours. Just imagine. See that the narrator, that he is boasting about, that packing is one of the easiest thing. Remember, I rather pride myself on my packing. Here you see, and you see, This is a very beautiful picture of a child like you people, that you claim, as we were also child, we also claimed that we know all the things. But you are master of all trade but jack to learn. You learning the best principle of learning is that we should realize that we don't know anything. If you realize that you don't know anything, then you can reach the learning. This is the principle